Hey, which jacket should I go with? The red or this one? Hey, welcome to Imperial. Today we have a special event that we're going to. It's a Christmas party that's created by Lamborghini Club Houston and Lamborghini Houston, of course, and the other Lamborghini owners. Stay tuned. Welcome to Imperial. I'm excited. You wanna know why? Because I'm gonna be with my friends right now and have some blast of good time. You ready, babe? Hey, what's up guys? We're here at the Bell Tower on 34. Looks like we arrived a little bit too early, but not too bad. Kind of hungry, so let's take the Urus and go grab us something to eat first, and then we come back. That's how we can put the vehicle inside. Shall we? Let's go. Really ready for a drink, at least one drink. Pretty badass place, isn't it? It's kind of a little bit chilly over here now. Wet and chilly. Let's go inside. Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? This is Butch.
What's up, Habibi?
With this sexy beast right here.
They got to go inside. Why can't we go inside? BS. That guy with the SDJ. Over the SDJ.
Finally, I got a glass of wine. All right, now we're gonna go to the VIP lounge, the VIP area. Let's go. Follow me.
Whoever that chick is.
There's a Christmas tree. In the other lounge, we can go grab 2 balls and we can actually stick them in there. Let's do it.
So good. No.
Jingle bells. Come on, me and you can do it. Come on. Let's do it. is not a church. We're gonna steal balls from the tree. This is not a church, right? We're not gonna get cursed,
so
right?
look, the sparkly balls.
Let's get the big ones here. You want sparkly ones?
Look, these have sparkles, but they're too small.
No, we don't want the sparkly ones.
We don't want to. Oh, there's a good one right there. There's a gold one.
Hey, usually balls one bigger than the other. That's how mine are set. Is that normal?
So do you want to get like a?
Here.
You want to get a? Oh, they
yeah,
are.
it's perfect. One bigger than the other. And you know what's the reason why? So that way your balls don't actually collide. So one is bigger than the other. And it's true fact. It's science. Yeah.
Oh my God!
It's how God created us.
So what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna give the bull.
Oh my God! What happened to my eye?
Because you can't. Oh my God! His eye. Okay.
Cristiano, he's one of my good friends from Dallas, and also a Lamborghini owner, and a badass son of a gun, and an entrepreneur also as well. How many locations
You gotta get the shoes, man. You gotta.
Oh yeah,
That's sparkle right there.
oh yeah, an entrepreneur with sparkly shoes. I like that. I like that. Beautiful. Amazing.
Stick this over here.
All right. Leave it like this. Perfect.
Finally!
Fire in the hole!
My man! Look at
He
that.
earned his dignity.
Yes! It matches.
His wife gave it back to him.
Than having an action.
go to
right?
restaurant.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed your meal. As I mentioned earlier, this year has been one of perseverance. So the party will continue, okay? And thanks to our DJ sponsor, please help me and bring Butch up. And Butch.
Hi, my name is Dan. I want to thank everyone for being in my life, number one. Number two, for allowing me to be part of meeting everyone, knowing everyone, and becoming where I am right now. In case of anything, you know where you can come. I did so many things today, besides putting balls on this bowl. I'm here talking to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Peace. I got wine! Open it. Say what's up. This is it for tonight. Please subscribe to Imperial TV.
Imperial TV.
Imperial TV!